Today on my show, I'm on location at the Hoover Dam. Is before you enter Las Vegas. So the topic I'm going to talk about is, a lot of movies were filmed at the Hoover Dam. For example, National Lampoon's Vegas Vacation, Lost in America. If you don't know, the movie Lost in America, the movie came out back in 1985. It stars Albert Brooks and Julie Haggerty from Airplane.
Welcome to Arizona.
If you don't know who Julie Haggerty is, then I highly recommend it that people need to watch Airplane because it's so funny. And remember how in the scene of the movie National Lampoon's Vegas Vacation where Chevy Chase got lost on the tour, but he went outside of and hang on to the ledge of the Hoover Dam that was filmed at that location. And that's all for my show today. And make sure to comment below of what's your favorite movie or TV show filmed at the Hoover Dam before and why. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure to click like on the bottom below. And that's all for my show today, and see you next time.